everybody? It's your girl Art. Welcome back to another late nights with Art. So yeah, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Whoo, bitches, y'all, guess what? I'm in here in Florida, and as y'all already read by the title, I am going to be going to the nude beach, baby. I'm gonna let it all hang out here in a minute, y'all. But before I even get there, your girl hungry in a motherfucker. So I'm here at Cajun Seafood Boil, okay? I'm getting ready to see what it do, because if you've been watching my channel long enough, you know I love me some seafood. And you also know it's been a motherfucking minute since I had some goddamn seafood, okay? So I'm gonna take my ass on up in here, get me something to eat. It's hot in the motherfucker. And then we're gonna go and see what this nude beach is about. But I'm super excited about that, you guys. But before we get into the video, if you have not already, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Give this video a nice big thumbs up and leave some comments down below. Alright, let's get it. Let's go. I got my bae with me. Bae, say hi to the vlog.
I would keep it headed to the right of her.
Oh, to the right or to the left? What's the better side?
To your right.
Right?
To your right.
Aren't you supposed to be on the left side? The traffic is on this side, so you're supposed to protect me from the traffic. Sir.
Man, traffic scared of your ass.
Sir. Look, he didn't know we was coming to get some seafood. I was like, ooh, babe, we about to take us a little date.
Crash.
Seafood, got that ass.
Joke's on me,
I'm super happy, y'all. But let us get in here. It's super hot. Let me show y'all what it look like. Cajun Boil, Cajun Seafood Restaurant.
Let me say.
Your turn.
Cajun Boil.
Yes, sorry.
Cajun Seafood Restaurant.
Restaurant. Let's go eat now.
Can I get a hallelujah?
Hallelujah. Hey.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
You guys, so we are done eating and we are about to head to the nude beach. Babe is right here trying to get the address. He don't know where we're going yet, but let me go ahead and let y'all know how I like the food. It was good, okay? Way better than Louisville, way better than Storming Crabs. The king crab was on fucking point, y'all. Like, everything about it was so good. The shrimp still had his head on. I never ate shrimp like that, so that was kind of weird for me. The sauce, like, he said the sauce was spicy. I personally didn't feel like the sauce was spicy. It was not hot enough, but the flavors was amazing. And the king crab itself, I swear to God, you did not need no sauce for it. It was good without it. Like, for real. But anyway, I'll see y'all when we get to the beach. Bye. So we finally made it here. So apparently, if you decide to come to HAULOVER Park, I'm gonna put the information down in the description box below because I probably said that all jacked up. But when you get here, you have to go to Tower 13. It's a pink tower apparently, and that's where you can do the clothing option. That's what they call it, but we call it nude. But yeah, so currently we're walking, and y'all, it is so cute. The water is like so beautiful. So this is like the family area. We won't be in the family area. All right, guys. Well, we made it to answer everybody's question. Yes, everybody is nude. I'm trying to go really, really fast so that y'all can get a little sneaky peek. But I'm gonna take all of this off because it's hot, and I'm about to get in. All right, so I'm about to get in. I can't believe this is a real thing. And I don't have my cover for my phone, y'all. But you're not gonna see me naked. If you guys want to see content, you gotta make sure you go and subscribe to my OnlyFans, because I am actually going to record out here for my OnlyFans account, which I'm gonna link that in the description box. Look at this water. Ooh. Y'all, but let me check out the scenery. I'm trying to flip it. My phone got wet. I'm trying to flip the camera. Hold on. It's like literally not letting me. Hold on, y'all. Because I'm trying not to show myself, because I don't want. Hold on. I can't flip my camera. Can you see my naked body? My naked body. It's so pretty. Babe, how do you feel being in a nude beach?
I feel beautiful.
Does it feel weird?
It did the first
I felt like since everybody is already naked, it was like as soon as I came up, I went ahead and just took my clothes off. But yeah, anyway, you guys, that's pretty much all I wanted you guys to see. Most of this content for today's video is actually going on to my OnlyFans. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you check out that description box below. Subscribe to my OnlyFans. Purchase some of that content. You know what I'm saying? Content. He got his own OnlyFans, so I'm talking about mine. Anyway, the water made it flip over. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video.